squid up, the first thing we do is just free the head from the tube and then actually pull it. Sort of watch that ink sac, it'll make quite a mess. And then split it down the centre.
Oh, that's alright.
And just remove like whatever's left of the insides. You want to get under that clear spine they have. Pull that out. And that just all comes away.
You're right, Bill. You're right.
And then this is a bit of the tricky bit. This will save you hours of work. You just stick your knife in here at the end and you just nick there and there between the two swim flaps, and you've got to now hold the tube down and you'll be able to pull all the skin and the swim flaps away from the tube in one piece. Nice and easy. Pull it all the way to the edges. You see that one there hasn't torn quite right, but you can just peel it off there now. And pull that back, peel it off, and then ever so slightly just cut that off. And that's your tube of calamari. Just rinse him up and tidy him up a bit. Get rid of that ink there. And then just, I mean, you can cut him into rings, or in this case I'll just strip it. Just ready for the fryer. Throw that in the bag, ready to go.
That's bloody the best I've ever seen. Not even taking a pic. Keep the head for bait.
Yeah, well I'll take the tentacles. I'll show you how to take them off in a sec, because they're actually nice fried up as well. When you get the head, give them a bit of a clean up and get rid of the stink.
Hey, boy.
Now you just sort of cut below the beak line for the tentacles. So at the base of the eyeball there, you just sort of cut your way around. The beak comes with it, and then you just pop that out. That's it. This is the beak here. If you have a look at that, that's what will bite you. Well, that's how they inflict pain on their prey. Got a little parrot's beak. See, it's like a little claw-shaped hooking beak, quite sharp. Give that a rinse and then that's done, the rest is bait.